stop this coming attraction for a special bulletin.
This news just in concerning a 6-year-old runaway who answers to the name Big Bird.
Did you say Big Bird?
That's right, Big Bird. He was reportedly heading east for a place called Sesame Street.
Street?
Sesame Street. Sorry.
Could this be the end of our fine feathered friend? No!
Big Bird!
There he is!
This can only be the beginning of the wildest goose chase of them all.
I love wild goose chases.
Now everyone's on the trail of that big yellow tail.
You're the biggest chicken I've ever seen.
Follow the laughter.
Just us!
Follow the music.
There's a way on this hazy going day.
Ain't no mountain they climb.
Follow the stars. Sandra Bernhardt, John Candy,
Be a man.
Chevy Chase, Joe Flaherty, Steve Thomas. And in their motion picture debut, all the celebrities from the award-winning Children's Television Workshop. Sesame Street presents Follow That Bird.